The first time she gets the hiccups. It's so cute.
It really is.
She startled herself.
You've had it for a few minutes. You really should have understood what it is now, Lena.
Aww. Poor little thing. Look at that. There's your sleepy face.
My sleepy face.
Your sleepy face.
Right, okay.
That is so cute. Okay, I'm done now.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yes.